What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I have this 2018 Hot Wheels Car Culture Drag Demons Supernova painted in metallic blue, and this was a used car that had a cracked blister, and there appears to be some scuffing on the roof, so I'm going to try this Mother's Waterless Wax and just kind of buff the roof out just a little bit. See if that does anything. Well, it looks great when it's wet. Wow, that works very well. Now buff it dry. Still kind of there. Does it look better? Maybe. Try going over it again. I don't know what this is. If it's something on the paint surface, there's not enough paint. I think it's something on the painted surface, but it could be just wear and tear on the paint itself, because it doesn't seem like it's coming off. But it looks good when it's, oh yeah, you can still see it there. Okay, well, on this car it didn't really work, but on this Lexus I would say it definitely fixed it. So depending on what kind of a scratch or a scuff you have, definitely try some automotive waterless wax or wash and wax. It's a spray wax. If you go to some paid car shows, you can get some free samples. That's what I'm using. But anyways, it might be worth picking up a bottle depending on what kind of a scuff you have on your painted die-cast car. This very well might work for you. I think it definitely helped the Lexus. There's just a little bit of a scratch there. The Supernova, unfortunately, couldn't be saved. That's okay, you know, sometimes you just have to try. And like I said, I bought this Car Culture set of 5 used and saved basically 50% off of cars that had that were still in the blister packs. So honestly, I'm fine with a little bit of a scuff on the roof. You know, once it's in the display case, you're not going to notice it anyways. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might also like to watch some of my other die-cast DIYs. Have a great day. Bye.